Yo, what's up, my Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a ninja. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, before we get down to that drawing, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to it. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step in making our ninja, we're going to begin by making two curved lines. From these two curved lines, we're going to go ahead and begin to make the head. I have a really cool fun fact for you as well. Do you know that some of the most dangerous ninjas that have ever lived were the female ninjas? Wow, that looks so dope. Now we're going to make a cool little piece of hair for our ninja. Now underneath of that cool piece of hair that we made earlier, we're going to finish the rest of our ninja's face. Wow, that looks so cool. Now we're going to begin to make the right arm for our ninja. Now the main things that ninjas were known for were espionage, deception, and surprise attacks. Now we're going to switch sides over to the left and we're going to begin to make the left arm. Now the first ninja school was founded around the 12th century, so that's a pretty long time ago. Now one of the last steps will be to make the legs and connect it to the torso, as well as make the sword for our ninja. One of the most famous ninjas ever was Hattori Hanzo. And if you didn't know this already, well, you'll know now, the Chinese ninjas are called shinobi. Now before we're completely done, we're going to go all over our ninja and we're going to add some cool detail. Now you can add your detail a little bit different than I do, or you can do the exact same. Either way is completely fine. Thank you for drawing with us. Now let's go color in our ninja together.